Smoothies are great. They are like a party in a glass. They are super tasty. Plus, they are good for you. Smoothies are popular everywhere. People love them for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack. What's not to love? They are fruity and fun. Smoothies are easy to make too. You can blend your favorite fruits and veggies together. It's that simple. Are you ready to dive into the world of smoothies? Let's go. Today we're making a mango spinach smoothie. It's green, delicious, and packed with nutrients. This smoothie has 4-star ingredients that come together to create a refreshing and healthy drink. First up, we have mango. This vibrant fruit is not only sweet and juicy, but also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Mango is a tropical fruit that adds a burst of flavor and a touch of natural sweetness to our smoothie. Next is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's loaded with iron, calcium, and fiber. Don't worry, you won't taste it much. The mango and banana will mask its flavor while you still get all the health benefits. We also need a banana. Bananas are not only delicious, but also provide a creamy texture to our smoothie. Bananas make our smoothie creamy and add a natural sweetness that complements the mango perfectly. Last but not least, coconut water. This hydrating liquid is like water, but with a hint of coconut flavor. Coconut water is not only refreshing, but also packed with electrolytes, making it a great addition to our smoothie. These 4 ingredients make the perfect smoothie team, each bringing their own unique benefits and flavors. Are you ready to meet them? Let's blend them together and enjoy a delicious, nutritious mango spinach smoothie. Did you know that our smoothie ingredients have superpowers? Yes, you heard that right. Each sip you take is like a burst of energy and health thanks to the amazing ingredients we use. It's true, each ingredient is packed with good stuff. From vitamins to minerals and everything in between, these natural wonders are here to boost your health in every way possible. Take mangoes, for example. Mango is full of vitamins. Not just any vitamins, but the essential ones that your body craves. Vitamins A and C are like superheroes for your skin. They help keep your skin glowing and youthful, fighting off the signs of aging and damage from the sun. They also help your body fight off bad guys like germs. These vitamins boost your immune system, making you stronger and more resilient to illnesses. Spinach is a powerhouse too. This leafy green is not just for Popeye, it's for everyone who wants to stay healthy and strong. It's full of iron, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for your overall well-being. These are important for strong bones and muscles. Iron helps in the production of red blood cells, calcium keeps your bones sturdy, and magnesium supports muscle function. Bananas are like little bundles of energy. They are perfect for a quick snack or to add to your smoothie for an instant energy boost. They give you potassium too. Potassium is essential for maintaining proper heart function and regulating your body's fluid balance. This helps keep your blood pressure in check. And coconut water? It's not just a trendy drink. It's a natural hydrator. It's the ultimate thirst quencher, perfect for rehydrating after a workout or on a hot day. Plus, it's full of electrolytes. These are vital for keeping your body's systems balanced and functioning properly. Electrolytes keep your body balanced and hydrated. So, the next time you sip on one of our smoothies, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're fueling your body with superpowers. Section 4, Smoothie Time. Let's get blending. Now, the fun part? Let's make our mango spinach smoothie. Don't worry, it's super easy. First, give your spinach a good wash. Make sure it's nice and clean. Next, peel your mango and banana, chop them into chunks. Now grab your blender, put the spinach, mango, banana and coconut water inside, put the lid on tight. Now blend it all up. Blend, blend, blend until it's smooth and creamy. That's it. You did it. Section 5. Your body will thank you. In this section we will explore the incredible benefits of our mango spinach smoothie. This isn't just any ordinary drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors that your body will absolutely love. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? Imagine starting your day with this vibrant, refreshing smoothie. It's not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a fantastic way to kickstart your morning with a burst of energy and nutrition. Our mango spinach smoothie is not just tasty, it's healthy too. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, this smoothie is designed to nourish your body from the inside out. Each ingredient is carefully selected to provide maximum health benefits. Remember those superpowers we talked about? Well, this smoothie is like a superhero team for your body. Each ingredient brings its own unique set of benefits, working together to keep you feeling your best. This smoothie is like a superhero team for your body. The mango, spinach, banana and coconut water all come together to create a powerful blend that supports your overall health and well-being. It's great for your eyes. The vitamins in mango and spinach, particularly vitamin A and beta-carotene, are essential for maintaining good vision and eye health. The vitamins in mango and spinach help keep your eyes healthy. These nutrients protect your eyes from damage and improve your overall vision, making this smoothie a great choice for eye care. This smoothie also boosts your immune system. The combination of vitamins C and E, along with other antioxidants found in these ingredients, helps strengthen your immune defenses. Your vitamins and minerals will help you stay healthy. And guess what? This smoothie is not just about health, it's about feeling good and enjoying every sip. It gives you energy too. The natural sugars in mango and banana provide a quick energy boost, while the coconut water keeps you hydrated and refreshed. The banana and coconut water will power you through your day. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a run, or just need a pick-me-up, this smoothie is the perfect companion to keep you energized and ready to take on the day. Section 6. Join the Smoothie Fun. So, are you ready to give it a try? This mango spinach smoothie is super easy to make, packed with nutrients and absolutely delicious. Try making it at home. You can even get creative. Add some chia seeds or flaxseed for an extra boost. Share your smoothie adventures with us. Take a picture and tag us on your favorite social media. Happy blending!